Is the iPhone 17 Pro really going to bring the screen upgrade we've all been waiting for? Many users had hoped Apple would finally improve outdoor visibility and reduce those tiny scratches that show up over time. For a while, it looked like that might actually happen. Rumors from 2024 pointed to Apple working on a brand new display coating that would have added both better scratch resistance and anti-glare features. It was expected to be a serious improvement over the ceramic shield that's been used since the iPhone 12. This newer coating was meant to cut down reflections, making the screen easier to use in sunlight. It was also supposed to protect the display from everyday wear and tear even better than before. But according to recent reports, Apple is no longer moving forward with that upgrade, at least not for the iPhone 17 Pro or the 17 Pro Max. The reason? It came down to the way the coating is made. Apparently, the process took too long and was hard to scale up. Apple wasn't able to apply it quickly enough to meet the massive demand that comes with every new iPhone launch. As a result, the company decided to skip it this time around. So if you were looking forward to better screen tech in this year's Pro model, you might be disappointed. Apple is expected to stick with the ceramic shield once again. While it's still one of the strongest smartphone glasses out there and does a good job resisting drops, it doesn't help with glare. It also doesn't improve visibility under bright lights or direct sunlight, which is something users have been asking for quite a while. What makes this more noticeable is what Apple's competition is doing. Samsung is planning a serious upgrade for the Galaxy S25 Ultra. That phone is rumored to come with Gorilla Glass Armor 2, a newer kind of screen that not only holds up well against scratches but also reduces reflections in a big way. It's designed to make the display easier to see no matter where you are, whether you're indoors or outside. In other words, it gives a more comfortable viewing experience across different conditions. With that in mind, Samsung seems to be pushing forward with real screen improvements, while Apple is keeping things mostly the same, at least when it comes to the glass. Of course, that doesn't mean the iPhone 17 Pro will be boring. Reports still suggest a few upgrades worth getting excited about. One of the biggest changes could be in the design. Leaks point to a new look on the back of the phone, which might give it a more modern feel. The camera setup is also expected to improve. There's talk of a new telephoto lens that could deliver better zoom and clearer images, which would be great for photography lovers. On the performance side, the new A19 Pro chip will likely bring better speed and efficiency, helping apps run faster and making multitasking smoother. And let's not forget iOS 19. Apple's next software version is shaping up to be one of the biggest updates in years. So even if the screen remains mostly the same, the overall experience of using the iPhone 17 Pro could still feel fresh and exciting. It seems like Apple made a tough call. The new anti-reflective coating had a lot of potential, but if it couldn't be produced on time or at the scale Apple needs, it's understandable why it was dropped. Maybe we'll see it in next year's iPhone 18. Until then, if screen quality and bright light is a major concern for you, Samsung might have the edge this year. But for those who care more about performance, camera upgrades, and software, the iPhone 17 Pro could still be a solid choice. If you like this video and want more updates like this, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss out on the latest tech news.